Hey, what is up guys, it's your boy iOS Gaming Cash Take here, and in today's video I'm bringing you guys another awesome application to make some extra money. So in today's video I'm bringing you guys this awesome app right here. It's called UTV, and basically what UTV is an app that pays you to watch videos. As you guys can see, starting playing instantly, and it runs through ads 24/7 a day. You can make $1 to $2 a day running this advertisement. As you guys can see, now it's playing an advertisement. This is how you will earn all the money. They've been paid me a lot of times. They do pay every 24 hours. So once you have enough to cash out, the minimum to cash out, I'm gonna show you guys. The minimum to cash out is $1. So let me go to Lotto. So this is where you will check your points and how much cash you have. At the top left corner, you will see I have $3.49. You can use this app to watch videos also, because they do have a watch and earn section where you can watch and earn. It's basically the same thing, but you have to have both of these applications to work with them, or you want to just use one app. So let me go back. So the app is called UTV and Lotto. You can easily find these in the App Store. You go to the Play Store and then you can find them. Then you can download them and just make an account. Just make one account and use one account to sign in to both of these apps. So let me go to the App Store. I'll show you how to find them. You just type in, let's go here, just type in Lotto. Guys, you see what I'm saying, guys? This thing runs 24/7. If you have like spare devices at home, if you got a tablet, Android tablet, you can do this also. So let me go here. Sorry about that, guys. This phone is really acting up right now. So let me go here. Let me go to the search, and you want to type in Lotto. Top. As you guys can see, it comes up with all these apps. So basically this app is the same, this app is the same, this app is the same, this one is the same, that one is the same. So basically you have to download this one. This is the one you're going to use to check all your points and how much money you've been earning. And you can download any one of these, but make sure you use the same account for all these applications. Once you sign into this one, use the same account, email and password to sign in with this one. So you just click on it and then click download, and then you can download it and then open it. And once you have that done, you sign in, make an account with Facebook or Twitter, or just make an email and password. And once you have that done, you can just come here, click on here, click this, click the UTV app, and sign in with the same email and password. Then you want to click a video, and then just put it down 24/7. It will run 24/7 over and over and over and over. So I think you guys want to see payment proof, so I'm gonna go show you guys payment proof. So you guys can see it runs 24/7. It plays ads behind ads behind ads behind ads, so it'll run over and over and over and over. So let me kill the app because it's gonna start bugging. So let me show you guys payment proof. Let me go to my PayPal account. Let's go to PayPal. I'm gonna log into my PayPal account, guys. Give me like 1 second. As you can see, now I'm logged into my PayPal account. So let's go to see activities. Let's go see money in. And right here we'll see payments from Lotto. So let's scroll all the way down. You see my last payment from Lotto. Future points. I think is this one. Right there, as you guys can see, you've received $6.04 from Square Tech. Congratulations on your cash out from Lotto. So it's basically, it pays you to watch video, guys. You guys get the idea. As you guys can see, I have a lot of payment right here. $1, $6, $6.04, $6.95. I'm making a lot of money with this application. As I said, it's free. It's in the App Store. You guys can use it to make some real PayPal cash. You can run unlimited devices on this. If you guys got 4 devices, you can run 4 devices with the same account. That's how easy it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys like this video. Like, share, and comment. And enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Peace out.